quick update on the situation. So, I do have a spare derailleur hanger that I bought. Actually, this doesn't look like a spare derailleur hanger at all. Hold on a second. That's just like a piece of one. This might be a problem. This isn't enough pieces for a fucking hanger. There's nothing to fucking hang this on. This is... where's that? Interesting. Huh. Well, while I think about that, I can go ahead and point out that all of this stuff is fucked up. As you can see, the jockey wheels are broken. Maybe you can't see. But yeah, missing teeth, broken, bent. Front derailleur's bent as well. Chain itself is bent. All this shit, it's not worth saving. It would be frustrating to try to true it back to functionality. Definitely not worth it. This is not good. I thought I had a spare derailleur hanger. I might have to keep looking through all my stuff, I guess. I don't know. I am gonna go with the 1x setup here for this bike. Why the fuck do I have this shit if it's not even a fucking derailleur hanger? This is such garbage. That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm gonna move forward. I've got the race face chainring installed now. Took a little while to figure out the best configuration for that. So that's gonna be a 42 tooth, I believe, chainring in the front. So that'll be a 42-36 setup with this bike. I thought I'd be able to set all of it up tonight, but without a spare hanger in a way that matters, I will not be able to do that. Unless I'm missing something, unless I'm just not looking at this properly. But I think I am, because this shit is not, that's not threaded. That's threaded, but that's not what I need. That's for the, this is for the other side. Man, this is fucked up. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the derailleur from my mountain bike, and that chain on the mountain bike, and go ahead and slap it onto, not this, that's for sure, can't do that without a hanger. But yeah, I'm kind of excited now. I thought I'd be able to fix all of this tonight. I guess that's not the case. Quick search in here. Such a bummer, especially for a bike like this. It has a very specific derailleur hanger. I doubt that this Fuji bike has the same one. I'm pretty sure they're different. Yeah, very different, especially considering the fact that this one is a quick release and the other one is a through axle. Not compatible. So. There's nothing in there. Nothing in there. I don't believe that there's anything up here in the drivetrain drawer. Man, it's interesting because I bought that derailleur hanger for my New York trip so that I would have it in case something awful happened, like what ended up happening. But maybe I didn't even buy a complete hanger. I mean, this isn't that big of a deal, because the only thing it really means is that I get to go to Performance now and get another hanger, assuming they have it. However, like I've already said several times, I already thought I had one, so that's kind of frustrating that I was wrong. I'll go ahead and slap this on my new Fuji bike, because there is certainly, this is not a complete hanger. let's see. I'm going to place this down for a second, and let's see. I have no idea if this is an angle that is viewable, but I want to see if this is what this looks like when this hanger comes off. Can I even take this off? Let's see. Okay. Huh. That is so fucked up. That was dumb. Alright. So this is the broken hanger. It's a DO34. You might even be able just to order that, maybe buy a couple of them. Definitely do not have anything similar to this in this bag that used to hold the hanger that I thought was a spare. So that's fucked up. Let's see. This is another spare parts kind of bag. Go through that real quick. Again, I just did this, but maybe I missed something. Velcro, spare light, empty bag, gotta love that. Light holder, hubs, old cycling computers. What is all this shit? It's just like shims and stuff. Bike mirror, rim tape, rock shocks, fork rebuild kit, Garmin mounting stuff. Huh. Man, I'm really lucky that I didn't get in a fucked up situation going to New York. I did not actually have a spare hanger like I thought I did. Well, shit. Kind of puts a damper on the progress I thought I'd have for tonight, but in any case, I guess I'm going to go ahead and grab my mountain bike, take the chain and derailleur off that. Like I said, this stuff's all junk, so this just needs to be thrown away. Otherwise, thrown away, or I'll keep this quick link though. It's probably still good. Bent ass chain. It was a fairly new chain too. Sort of a bummer. Alright, time to get that mountain bike down, take the derailleur off, and I need to go check the internet for this derailleur hanger. The number is D34, D034. So, I'm going to go do that now. Come back with part 3.